So, you're thinking about buying a new construction home in Crestwood, Kentucky. Well, today I'm going to take you through an amazing home in a neighborhood called Royal Oaks. You're not going to believe how much house you can get for the price. Be sure to stick around to the end of this video because I have a big surprise for you. If this is your first time on our channel, then be sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring that little bell so that you can be one of the first ones to learn about living in Crestwood, Kentucky. My name is Tara Hollenden, and me and my entire team do videos just like this for people just like you, just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like living in Crestwood, Kentucky and the surrounding areas. Whether it's 6 days, 6 weeks, or even 6 months before you plan on making a move, simply give us a call, send us a text, send us an email, heck, send up a smoke signal. We get calls and texts and emails every single day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. As I mentioned, today we are going to take you through Royal Oaks in Crestwood, Kentucky. We're going to walk through the Jamestown floor plan by Elite Realtors. They have homes starting out at around the low 500,000s, and it's a lot of house for that money. This particular Jamestown model is a ranch-style home with 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and it's a minimum of 2,188 square feet with a partially finished basement. The kitchen is gorgeous with granite countertops. The primary shower is just wow. There is an abundance of natural light, and did I mention open floor plan? You are not going to want to miss out on this tour, so let's get to it. All right, here we are inside the beautiful Jamestown model in Royal Oaks. Very inviting, welcoming, open floor plan. Beautiful natural light coming in on those windows off the back, which I personally absolutely love. We're going to go ahead and off to the right. This is a split floor plan, so you're going to have 2 bedrooms over here. Double door closet. A nice full bath, which is perfectly placed in between these 2 bedrooms, so it's nice and convenient. Linen closet. And this is the 2nd bedroom. Also has a double door closet. And to the gorgeous living room and kitchen, gas fireplace, beautiful built-ins, really just brings this whole area all together. And look at those windows. Gorgeous kitchen, gas range, stainless steel appliances. There isn't a true pantry, but they do have this wonderful setup, which is actually pretty convenient. You can get to everything that is on each of these shelves with these drawers that pull out and lots of space above as well. This cute little nook would be perfect for a coffee bar. There's a beautiful dining area, which was right off the front door. It's a little half bath. Perfect little nook setup. Drop your shoes, your bags. A laundry room, which actually also has a wash sink, so super convenient if you need to soak something, rinse off before you enter the rest of the home, because also right off the laundry is the garage. And on the left side of the home is the primary suite. It is wide open. Has its own door to access the covered patio. You could also go to it from the kitchen, which is that door right there. Nice and private. Let's go check out the primary bathroom, and y'all just wait till you see this shower. Huge walk-in closet. There's also an extra linen closet. Very large, nice and spacious. Double vanity. Private toilet room. And this. Look at this shower. You could have a party in here. I think my showers would get about 10 minutes longer if I had all this space. I love how open this whole layout feels. All right, let's go check out the basement. I love how open the basement is. And honestly, the way they designed this and set it up, it is so functional. I mean, most people hate, there's a pole right in the middle of the room, but the way they utilize the space with the furniture, it just made it look like it was meant to be. I mean, it is just divided perfectly and the setup works very well. Got this great wet bar ready to go and tons and tons of space. Here is the fourth bedroom, which would be perfect if you had guests visiting. They'd have their own setup, private bedroom, living room area, plenty of space in this closet. And they would even have their own full bathroom. And another linen closet. As I mentioned, this is a partly finished basement, so we're going to go ahead. I'll show you the two sides of the unfinished, but there's definitely a lot more space you could use for storage, or if you wanted to make the rooms bigger or open this up to the stairwell, you could definitely do that and have many options. This is the other side that's also unfinished. Lots and lots of extra space to work with if you needed it. And then here's a view of the basement living room area from this angle. All right, that's going to wrap it up for our video tour of the beautiful Royal Oaks neighborhood in Crestwood, Kentucky. This community is just minutes from the Gene Snyder Freeway, so it's super convenient to get anywhere you need to go. There's also an abundance of shopping, like grocery stores, medical care, and dining nearby as well. And listen, they're offering some pretty special financing right now, and with the right situation, you can get rates as low as 4.99% on an FHA loan. And as I asked, to stick around to the end for a surprise? Well, if you call me for a limited time, I can get you up to $20,000 off design center upgrades. Yep, you heard that right. 20 grand discount. Just reach out to us and we can go over all the details. I sure hope you have enjoyed today's tour. And remember, if this is the first time on your channel, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, and tap that bell so you can be one of the first to learn what it's like to live in Crestwood, Kentucky and the surrounding areas. And until next time, I sure look forward to seeing you around town.